What are the ECB's main refinancing operations? Imagine trying to keep a busy city running smoothly. The European Central Bank does something similar for the euro area by managing how much money banks can borrow. These are called main refinancing operations, and they are a key tool in the central bank's kit. Every week, the ECB holds a special auction where banks can borrow money for a short time. This short time is exactly 1 week. Banks need this money to lend to businesses and people, helping the economy stay active. The process works like this. The ECB offers a set amount of money through a tender. Banks interested in borrowing submit bids, showing how much they want to borrow. The ECB then decides how much to lend based on these bids, following strict rules about who can participate. To secure the loan, banks must put up assets called collateral. These are usually government bonds or other safe investments that the ECB accepts. The collateral protects the ECB if the bank cannot pay back the loan. The interest rate on these operations is very important. It is set by the ECB and acts as a benchmark for short-term borrowing costs across the euro area. When the ECB raises this rate, borrowing becomes more expensive, which can slow down inflation. When it lowers the rate, borrowing costs decrease, encouraging spending and investment. This way, the ECB uses these operations to influence the overall economy. These weekly refinancing operations are just one part of how the ECB manages money. They work alongside longer-term operations that provide more extended funding and other tools to handle unexpected changes in liquidity. The goal is to keep the money supply stable and predictable, which helps control inflation and support economic growth. In simple terms, the main refinancing operations are like a weekly cash flow check for banks. They help keep enough money moving through the banking system so that everyone can borrow and lend smoothly. By adjusting how much money is available and at what cost, the ECB can steer short-term interest rates and keep inflation in check. This is a vital part of how the ECB fulfills its role as the central bank for the euro area, making sure prices stay stable and the economy functions well.